Hi, and in the series of cleaning, protecting and maintaining, today we're looking at the cleaning of a brick block pathway. What we've got on here is a very heavy lichen sort of contamination. We've got some moss. I've basically a couple of days ago given this a jet wash. We've got rid of most of the soft mosses, things like that. It's dried off now, so now I can actually use the product Lithofin Outdoor Cleaner, and we're going to soak this into the path and hopefully remove that lichen and spore. First thing I'm going to do to start with is I'm going to give it a brush over with a stiff broom just to remove any of the remaining mosses and debris that might be on the path. Okay, so now we've cleared the path. What we're going to do now is we take our Lithofin Outdoor Cleaner and we're going to use this neat straight out of the bottle. Now you can put it into a pump sprayer, but because we've got a very heavy lichen here, I'm just going to brush it neat straight out of the bottle and apply it with a broom. Now we're going to put this on with a stiff brush. Do ensure that you've got old clothes on, pair of gloves, and if you are doing vertical surfaces and you are using a sprayer, you will need to put eyewear on. The whole key is that we're going to saturate this into the stone. So we're going to generously and evenly ensure that we get around all the blocks, all the pointing, and into all this little bit of crazy paving as well. As I said, if you prefer it, you can put a Lithofin Outdoor Cleaner into a sprayer, garden pump sprayer, and we're just going to, again, wet the surface out and keep that wet. Now we're going to probably keep that, once we've got the first application on, I might leave that 1 or 2 hours, and then I'll come back and re-wet the surface if we think we need it. Because this is such a heavy sort of bound lichen, I probably will give it that second application, but we'll just spray this through now. Once you wet that surface, you can actually just go over with a brush. And obviously one thing you will have to take into consideration is if you've got plants or neighbours' plants, if it's a windy day, just to make sure that's not overspraying onto lawns or any other plants. Okay, so I've got the path completely wetted out. I've gone and scrubbed over it for sort of 10-15 minutes, re-wetted it. I'm now going to leave this for a couple of hours. We'll come back to it. If it's still got the spore, I'll reapply, and I may even leave this overnight. Okay, so I've now left this an hour. The lichen's still there. It is starting to break down. I'm going to give it another hour. I'll give it another scrub, and if I have to, I'll leave it overnight. and then we'll give it a scrub and reactivate it tomorrow morning.